Just trying to be a good daughter. Cook my father a nice Sunday dinner. You know, Father's Day linguini and clam sauce. No, he's got to be a pain in my ass even when he's dead. This fucking hill is like, of course, the day I come. It's fucking gardeners. Drove 2 hours of fucking traffic to get to fucking Queens to come to the cemetery to cook. Okay, the butane tank that I brought for the stove isn't the right one. It doesn't fit, and the gardeners want to fucking show up today. Well, my uncle's in for reinforcement because I need something. I need fire, flame. I need something because I'm gonna start rubbing fucking sticks together. This fucking bee. You're really testing my patience today. Okay, like, are we kidding? All right. Let's make some linguini and clam sauce. I didn't bring a garbage bag. I gave a garbage bowl. So what? Wind ain't it. I don't have a microphone. Gardeners are here. Hey. This, I'm on a hill right now, and this is like a workout, trying to fucking balance everything and squat all at the same time. Like, you had to be buried on a hill. He always had to make things difficult. Even now, he's got to make things fucking difficult. You had to be buried on a goddamn fucking hill, right? Show up! I think they think I'm one of the gardeners because I have the vest on. Oh, hello! Welcome to Lexi's kitchen. My uncle's here. I had to pull him for backup because we bought the wrong butane tank for the stove.
Hello. All right, I think this is the right stuff.
You don't know.
But
Your guess is as
are
good
you
as
supposed
mine.
to put the valve in there?
I don't fucking know. Here you go. Merry Christmas. Show up. I don't know, but that wasn't the right one. Here we go. Doo-doo to the rescue, as per usual. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, it's got a different.
Maybe some extra greenery in here. You guys pulling in fucking grass. Oh, no. Only a piece of grass. It's fine. I'm vegan. We eat grass.
What is this supposed to seal around here? This is where the seal is.
Big Mike, you're gonna eat raw garlic at this point.
Oh, the story is here. I said that ring is the outer seal.
So the butane thing still isn't fucking working. We don't know. There's a nozzle missing. It's just, dude, just go to another store. So I'm here with the garlic and the lemons and this one. Okay? Don't look at me like that. You want some watermelon? Grapes? Peas? That's all you're fucking getting because you won't let the fucking stove light. Want some? If he wasn't already dead, I'd kill him. Okay. To be continued.